Question 1, guys, dead straightforward, just work out the distance between the 2 points. So there's a wee bit of work in here, and root 34, and it would be C, straightforward enough. Next one, a bit more work, and here, show you what it is. You have to work out which of these is true. Now, you can still get this. This is quite a common question you can get in the higher, but they don't have the multiple choice. They'll say what statement is correct, and you need to have to work out A or B. This one or that one. That can still exist. That's maybe a 3-mark question, but they exist in the real world. So the multiple choice, like I've said earlier on, don't do multiple choice anymore. So doing a wee distance formula, the wee triangle. So if you look at here, the distance between the 2 and the 5 is 3 units, 3 squared. 3 and minus 1, well, it's 4 units. Square it, 25 square root 5, so the length is 5. The gradient, well, remember you can use y2 minus y1, but we've already worked out the difference between the two of them. But in this case here, you need to put the minus 4 in because it is a change in direction. So minus 4 over 3, so that is not the right gradient. So the answer would be B. Question 3, quite a hard one, bit of algebra in it. So the midpoint, so there's basically what you have to set up. And some of you have got this wrong. Right, so you've got this set up here, so you know that b minus 3 over 2, and you know that 1, 0, so basically this guy here equals that. Now if I jump to the side, so b minus 3 equals 1 over 2, the 2 jumps up here, you should know that's the rearranging formula, becomes b minus 3 equals 2, and then move the minus 3 across and you get b equals 5. And then the final one, sorry this bit here, so 2 plus a divided by 2 equals 0, move the 2 up, 2 times 0 is 0, 2 plus a 0, a equals minus 2, so a equals minus 2 and b equals 5 would be B. So C, B and B. Okay, the last two, which caused all the problems. But 4, most people got 4. Right. Okay. Let's look at it. So 4, the reason people couldn't do it was they didn't know what it meant by if you've got 2 sides the same length. Well, that is an isosceles triangle. An isosceles triangle has got 2 sides the same. Not equilateral. Equilateral is 3 fingers. I still get paint. Right, okay. So AB, AC, AB. So this is the mark in the marking scheme. Did they try to calculate AB, AC or BC? 1 mark. Did they work out the distance and find that both of them ended up in the square root of 3 squared plus 6 squared, 6.9 sums that? Yes, therefore an isosceles triangle or whatever. Okay. So the actual question was show the triangle as isosceles, and a lot of you's done that. Okay, now the really tricky one, and I've got to admit only 1 or 2 people got it right, and it was not that hard. Righty, right. Okay, so find the area of a triangle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the drawing I've done, and then I'll take you through it. Okay. Oops. So that drawing there. Okay. So there's the A and the C that you were given. I worked out the distance was 10. I worked out the midpoint was 5, 7. x1 plus x2 divided by 2, 5, 7. Now, if you'd done that, you would have got 2 out of 5. A lot of you just chucked it. You're not going to do that in the exam, guys. You're going to be scraping for every mark. That 1 mark could be the difference between an A and a B. That could be the difference between going A. You know what I mean? So here, well, hang on. If that's got a length of 10, that bit there is 5, and that bit there is 5. Okay. Therefore, well, that bit there's got to be 5, and that bit there's got to be 5. Now remember, this is parallel to the x-axis, so all you're doing is moving up and down. So if that's 5, 7, it's got to go back 5 to 0, 7, and that goes forward 5 to 10, 7. That was the big jump. Okay, that was the bit that got it together. Then what you can do is you can work out that length, and then you can work out, that length, and then you can get your rectangle. So I think it ended up being, if I remember right, that length there and that length there came to 40. Okay. A lot of these at 48. What a lot of these done was, he's done this and done that. That's what he's done. He done 4 times 8, whatever it is, it wasn't right. That's why that was 5 marks. So when you get a question that's 5 marks, you've got to really think, goes right, why is that 5 marks? Why is that so difficult? Okay, so you'd have to have worked out the distance from here to there, and then distance from here to there, and then done A times E equals L times B. Okay,